Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Stephanie Davenport, and I am the media specialist at Long Middle School. Today, I am going to introduce paper. Okay, let us talk a little bit about paper and how to access paper in my backpack. The first thing you do is you need to log into my backpack. And once you're into my backpack, you can launch paper by simply going to the search bar and typing paper. It'll work by just typing the first few letters, and once you're there, then you can click on paper, and then you'll have access to your account. So one of the things, and this is what I oftentimes remember to share with my students, about some rules for paper: being respectful, don't share your personal information. You're talking about your academics, and that the tutors are going to always value your privacy, and you should respect and value theirs as well. And then the students are asked to accept that acknowledgement and move forward. And once you're in, it shows you what you have. It welcomes you into your specific account. And here you can see classes that you might need help with. Actually, this has the students' classes preloaded, practice with paper, and then move forward. So if, for instance, a student needed help with this ELA course, they would simply click on chat to that particular course. And then you can do one of two things here. Because it's ELA, you can either chat with a tutor, or you can get if they have a paper, you can get your writing reviewed. So we're going to go ahead and select chat with the tutor. It's going to ask you how you would like to interact with the tutor via text or voice. And then it'll give you the opportunity to actually go ahead and connect with the tutor and ask them questions specifically about what you need help with. Let's look at how you would need to get something reviewed if you were for a writing assignment. Just the same, you would go here to get your writing reviewed, select that, and it says here that you don't have any writing submitted, but it gives you the opportunity to upload writing for review. So you would simply click the upload writing for review, browse your files, and upload from either Drive. Well, in this case, from your Chromebook, it's going to be Drive. You're going to upload your documents from Drive and move forward. You would actually give some details down here about what the work is entitled, what classes this is for, what language, and then any additional instructions that you would like for the tutor to take a look at about the writing that you're submitting, and then actually submit it for review. And that is how you use paper.